Welcome back to my channel, guys. So today I'll be making some lentils soup. So for this recipe you're gonna need some lentils. Here I have just about 1.5 cups of lentils that I had soaking overnight, my green seasoning blend, 1 teaspoon of chicken bouillon. Here I have salted pigtails. For my seasonings I have carrots, 1 large carrot, half of an onion, 4 cloves of garlic, some pimento peppers and sweet peppers, a few sprigs of thyme, parsley and green onions. Back here I have pumpkin that I grated and some cabbage. And I also have some potatoes. I have 4 potatoes which I cut and green bananas. Let's get it started. Also, I have some dough for my dumpling. I have some dough prepared for my dumpling. As usual, we're going to start with our base of onion and garlic. Let's saute for 2 minutes. They've sauteed for 2 minutes, so I'm gonna go in with the rest of my seasoning. Next, I'm going in with my grated pumpkin. Now you can dice your pumpkin if you want to, or you can have your pumpkin cooked separately in some water by itself, and then you put it in your food processor and add it to your soup. It's up to you, whichever way that you like to. Then I'm going in with my cabbage. And I'm going to have that saute for about 5 minutes. Then I'm going in with my green seasoning, which is my flavor booster. I put it in pretty much everything, as you can see. Now I'm going to go in with the lentils. And next I'm going in with my pigtails. I got pig snout as well. Next I'm going in with the potato and green banana and my water. I'm gonna have this come to a boil, and then I'm gonna check for salt. Be right back. I'm gonna add this in as well. I just put in some of that pumpkin soup mix, the grease. I'm gonna start putting it in my dumplings. Our dumplings are in. Just getting them covered. And the good thing is that dumpling doesn't take long to cook at all, so cover it right back up.